Praise the Lord, for His mercy endureth forever. Welcome to the program Birds Chirping. How are you all? I'm happy to find you all good. Well, Psalm chapter 10, compiled by Elia and hosted by Sheba. Why, Lord, do you stand far away? Why do you hide yourself in times of trouble? In arrogance, the wicked hotly pursue the poor. Let them be caught in the schemes they have devised. For the wicked boasts of the desires of his soul, and the one greedy for gain curses and renounces the Lord. In the pride of his face, the wicked doesn't seek him. All his thoughts are, there is no God. His ways prosper at all times. Your judgments are on high, out of his sight. As for all his foes, he puffs at them. He says in his heart, I shall not be moved. Throughout all generations, I shall not meet adversity. A bit of overconfidence, right? His mouth is filled with cursing and deceit and oppression. Under his tongue are mischief and iniquity. He sits in ambush in the villages, in hiding places. He murders the innocent. His eyes stealthily watch for the helpless. He lurks in ambush like a lion in his thicket. He lurks that he may seize the poor. He seizes the poor when he draws him into his net. The helpless are crushed, sunk down, and fall by his might. Truly terrible. But there has to be a way out. But for a respite, there is always God's goodness. As we call on the Lord, as in Psalm 31 verse 1, in thee, O Lord, I put my trust. Let me never be ashamed. Deliver me in thy righteousness. In Psalm 31:7, I will be glad and rejoice in thy mercy, for thou hast considered my trouble. Thou hast known my soul in adversities. Redemption, deliverance, liberty, or liberation is all from the living God. Thank you for joining in. May God keep us well and healthy all through the week ahead and spiritually updated, and that we might grow and develop. Thank you.